Assalamualaikum, my name is Nushaira Elena binti Ahmad Fuad and I will present about our network automation. Network automation, a crucial IT advancement, combines software and hardware to improve efficiency and adaptability. It enhances infrastructure adaptability, allowing quick response to change. Open Shortest Path First or OSPF is a key component facilitating router sharing and making networks more responsive. However, implementing automation requires careful planning to address security concerns, specialized expertise, and cultural shifts. Project overview. The project aims to improve operational efficiency, scalability, and flexibility by automating the implementation of the Open Shortest Path First or OSPF protocol. This approach creates an efficient and adaptive network infrastructure, allowing routers to adjust their setting based on real-time network conditions. This combination also enhances agility, allowing networks to quickly redirect traffic in case of change or breakdowns. Next is problem statement. First, inefficiencies in operation as a result of manual or SPF configurations. Manually configuring or SPF protocols result in severe operational inefficiencies, spending critical time and resources. This hinders our ability to adapt quickly to changing network circumstances and limit our infrastructure scalability. 2. Scalability challenge and resources drain. One of main obstacles to scalability is the lack of SPF automation, which necessitates laborious human change for network expansion. This not only makes mistakes more likely, but it also costs network managers a lot of resources and takes their attention away from their important tasks. Lastly, security vulnerabilities in manual or SPF practice. Manual or SPF setting raise security issues as existing procedures might not take recommended practice into account. The network vulnerable due to the absence of ultimate security measures, which emphasizes the necessity of all-encompassing or SPF automation solution to guarantee a safe and reliable network environment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Alia Farhana binti Fazril and I will present about the objective and the significance of this project. Firstly, this project aims to enhance operational efficiencies. It reduces network management processes, reduces human errors, and increases overall operational efficiency by automating regular tasks. Next is to improve scalability. Implementation of SPF automation can help solve scalability issues by allowing network settings to be dynamically adjusted and removing the need for time-consuming manual adjustments during network expansions. This project also aims to enhance network security. Security risks related to manual or SPF procedures can be reduced by setting up an automated system that follows suggested security procedures. By automating security procedures inside the OSPF protocol, this project seeks to improve the overall network's security and guarantee a stable and dependable network environment. And lastly, to facilitate rapid adaptation, implementation of OSPF dynamic features can build a more adaptive network architecture. The project aims to enable the network to respond immediately to changes, divert traffic in the case of failure, and maintain a responsive and strong IT infrastructure. There are a few significance of this project, which is firstly, this project ensures consistent network setups, lowering the chance of errors and supporting a standardized environment. This consistency improves overall network dependability and administration simplicity. Next, the network automation of OSPF setups reduces the need for manual intervention, which results in more efficient operations, quicker task completion, and better resource management. This improves the overall effectiveness of network operations. Next is the adaptability to changes. Taking use of OSPF dynamic improve the network's responsiveness to changes in real-time conditions, enabling quick answers to evolving requirements and strengthening the organization's capacity to negotiate dynamic technology landscapes. And lastly, the combination of automatic security measures and OSPF automation eliminates the vulnerability associated with human setups, resulting in a more secure and robust network environment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ashik binti Rosman. So today I'll be presenting the project specification on hardware and software. So we will start first with hardware. So to power our project, we use the Dell Latitude E7440 as our main computer. It's provide all the computing power that we need to run our software tools and manage our project effectively. So let's move on to the software tools that we use. First up, there's GNS3, which is like a virtual background for designing and testing our network setups without actually needing the actual hardware. And then we have GNS3 server, which help us to manage and control these virtual setups. To access our network equipment securely, we use the Solar Putty, which is a program that gives us user friendly to connect to our routers and switches. Then we have NetMiko, a Python package that helps us to automate the setup and management of our network devices. And lastly, we have a VMware Workstation, a tool that lets us create and manage virtual machine and also run the different operating system and network devices as needed. By combining these hardware and software tools, we have built a solid foundation for efficiently managing and configuring our network resources, making our network automation project easy to handle.
Okay, next I will do the demonstration part for this network automation for OSPF configuration. Okay, first, this is topology and we have configured the IP for the both interface at the router. Okay, first we will going to open the file that we have done to use the Python script. Okay, this is the script that we have written in the file. And there are two routers that will be configured for the OSPF. So there are two hosts and that there is the IP address and the information that we needed. Okay, after that, we are going to open the R1 and R2 to enable the enable the telnet with debug telnet command on both the routers, which is router 1 and router 2. Okay, after that, we are going to run the Python file with Python 3, the file name. Okay, enter the telnet username, enter the password for the telnet, and wait for the configuration be done. Okay, that is being completed, and then we will check the activity on router 1 and router 2. There's something happened there. And then we are going to check the IP protocol that have been done, which is our OSPF that we have configured just now on both router 1 and router 2. And we can see that both of the router have different router ID, which is 1111 for router 1 and 2.2.2.2 for router 2. Okay, after that we will ping each PC to check the connection between them and make sure that our OSPF configuration is successful. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
So now, let's dive into the results and analysis. This is the ping result between both PC1 and PC2. On the above figure, the PC1 is successfully pinged to the PC2 host with 192.168.3.2 IP address. The PC2 also success to ping the PC1 host with 192.168.2.2 IP address. Both the ping are succeed means that there's connection between the both devices. Next, the show IP protocol command is used to show the routing protocol configuration that being processed is being processed as expected. As we can see, both of the result showing the OSPF protocol has been used. The router ID also included, which 1.1.1.1 and 2.2.2.2 respectively. It's also show the routing traffic that using area 0.
In conclusion, the implementation of network automation, we focus on the open shortest path first OSPF protocol is an important step in improving the network efficiency, scalability, and security for our project. We improve operational efficiency, increase flexibility in response to shifting needs, and strengthen network protections against security breaches by automating OSPF setups. This is important because it has the ability to optimize resource utilization, decrease manual errors, and develop a standardized, secure, and responsive network architecture. That's all from us. Thank you.